Today, we are exploring how to design repeating logo textures. Start Photoshop and create a square canvas around 1500 pixels. Then import your logo file and convert it into a smart object, so resizing maintains quality. Position the logo centrally and duplicate it across the canvas using alignment tools to keep spacing equal. Rotate some copies slightly if variation is desired while preserving brand readability. Apply Filter, Other, Offset to check seamless edges and adjust placement until repetition flows perfectly. Choose brand colors and test opacity variations for subtle texture effects. Define the layout